Elon Musk claims Terafab project will be the largest chip manufacturing facility ever. More on that coming up, but first. While other tech companies have been laying off employees year after year, OpenAI is doing the opposite. According to a report from the Financial Times, the AI giant is looking to expand its workforce to 8,000 employees by the end of 2026, nearly doubling staff from its current headcount of 4,500. The Financial Times reported that the new hires will be across several departments, including product development, engineering, research, and sales. OpenAI's hiring spree will also include specialists for technical ambassadorship or employees tasked with helping businesses better utilize its AI tools, according to the report. As the Financial Times noted, OpenAI is likely trying to amp up the competition against Anthropic and its Claude AI chatbot. According to the AI index from Ramp, a fintech startup that manages corporate expenses, businesses are now 70% more likely to go with Anthropic when buying AI services for the first time, as opposed to OpenAI. OpenAI made waves in February when it announced a contract with the Department of Defense to use its AI models following a public fallout between Anthropic and the federal agency. On top of the government contract, OpenAI is also in advanced talks with private equity firms like Brookfield Asset Management and to deploy its AI tools across a firm's portfolio of companies, according to Reuters. Check out the latest work from Jackson Chen right now at Engadget.com. And a legal feud between the co-founders of Lux Optics, the developer behind the Halide camera app, revealed that Apple was close to acquiring the company. As first reported by The Information, Apple held acquisition talks for Lux Optics, which also developed the Kino, Spectre, and Orion apps in the summer of 2025. According to The Information, the deal eventually fell through in September of that year, but the potential acquisition could have provided Apple with the third-party software to improve its own built-in camera app. Apple is already rumored to be introducing variable aperture to its upcoming iPhone 18 Pro model, so it's not surprising that the iPhone maker was looking for software with advanced features to match its possibly upgraded camera hardware. Despite Apple's interest, Lux Optics co-founders Ben Sandowski and Sebastian DeWitt concluded that future updates to Halide could increase the company's valuation and ended the acquisition talks. While Halide may remain third-party software for iPhones and iPads, users can still look forward to some software improvements to the built-in camera app, since that's reportedly one of Apple's priorities. Remember, you can find the latest gadget news, reviews, lists, price drops, and more right now at Engadget.com. Elon Musk has announced the Terafab project, a joint venture between Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI to build the largest chip manufacturing facility ever. In his usual grandiose fashion, Musk claims Terafab is the next step towards harnessing the power of the sun and creating a, quote, galactic civilization, unquote. Musk, CEO of all three companies, announced plans for the Terafab in a live stream on X. As the name implies, the project's ultimate goal is to produce a terawatt of computing power each year so that it can match the company's growing demand for chips. Musk explained during the live stream that he's grateful to existing supply chain partners like Samsung, TSMC, and Micron, but the current capacity of chip manufacturers only adds up to about 2% to what Tesla and SpaceX needs in terms of future computing power needs. We either build the Terafab or we don't have the chips, Musk said during the event. He continued, and we need the chips, so we're going to build the Terafab. The Terafab project, estimated to cost at least $20 billion, will start with the Advanced Technology Fab in Austin, Texas, where Tesla is already headquartered. Musk said that two types of chips will be produced in the Terafab, one for terrestrial purposes like to power full self-driving or Optimus robots, and another more high-powered, durable chip to be used in space. If you're wondering what Musk has in store for space, the SpaceX CEO filed an application with the Federal Communications Commission to launch 1 million satellites to create an orbital data center earlier this year. As promising as this sounds, it's worth noting that Musk has previously over-promised and under-delivered on other projects, like the Hyperloop, a $40,000 Cybertruck, and fully autonomous driving. Thanks for listening to the show. Make sure to rate, review, and subscribe on Apple Podcasts. Today's show featured journalism by Engadget contributor Jackson Chen and was produced by Spoken Layer. I'm Imran Sheikh, and we'll talk more tomorrow.
Spoken Layer.